entered the golden era of the school. Without much ado, I now request our esteemed principal ma'am to please address the August gathering as we are ready for the induction of the Junior Prefectorial Council for the session 2021-2022. Principal
Thank you,
ma'am.
Malini. Good morning, parents, dear children, and teachers. I extend a warm welcome to the proud parents of our dear children. Students at Kulachi Hansraj Model School stands out for their enthusiasm and fervor. For Kulachians, excellence is an attitude that never lets them give up. Training the students to be young leaders of the future, capable of making informed decisions based on their analytical abilities and out of box thinking, is a part of their education. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Today, the new prefectorial council for the year 2021-22 has taken a big stride ahead. They shall be sworn in and they shall undergo meticulous training to help them embody the spirit of true Kulachians. The pandemic has put us from physical to online mode, but our spirits are undaunted and we continue tirelessly moving forward. It is a matter of pride that our students are excelling in all fields, be it academics, sports, co-curricular, even with online classes, activities, intra-school, inter-school, and national level events. The primary prefectorial council functions with a head boy and head girl, leading the house captains and vice house captains along with the prefects. The Prefectorial Council 2019-20 performed their duties diligently. We see the future leaders of the nation ready to step ahead into a new era of growth and development. The new council is being sworn in during the magical 50th year of the school. This year, we are celebrating the 50th foundation year of the school. My dear children, you are now ready to take off on a unique experience which will help you build your personality and will serve to build up your capabilities. The responsibilities you are being entrusted with is tremendous and you can only lead by example. So be a good role model. As responsible students, work to the zenith of your potential and fulfill your dreams. Believe in yourself and remain humble. Remember, success is a series of small efforts repeated regularly with sincerity and dedication. So work hard regularly, my dear students, and every day you will be a little closer to your goal. We appreciate the parents for joining us today and supporting and encouraging the children. Without your cooperation, we would never be able to create the future of the nation. I congratulate the newly appointed Council of 21-22 and wish each one of you success in all your endeavor. Thank you, my dear children. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. We cannot clap. The applause would sound very vague on a technical device, but we can all put our hands together and remain muted. Ma'am, every word that you have said is a source of inspiration for all of us. The outgoing council, as ma'am has just told us, worked very diligently to the best of its ability. And even though we were online, their sincerity and dedication with which they participated in all the events in the school was commendable. We now bid a very fond farewell to our members of the Prefectorial Council 1920-2021. They have worked and strived tirelessly the minute we went online, presenting all the events of the school, participating in so many activities, and presenting their best. During this time, they have not only just grown, but they have also given and contributed very positively towards the growth of the school, their fellow mates, and their friends. We watch them online on so many events like Subject Days, Fit India Movement, Independence Day, and other festivals and functions that we celebrated online throughout the year last year. The head boy Shaurya Sharawat and the head girl Amrit Sakuja. We wish them a very bright future as they move ahead to greener pastures. We present a certificate of appreciation and a trophy, a memento for excellence. These children are present in the meeting and they can wave out. So we all know that they are there. We would love to see their lively smiles. The vice head boy, Jay Mishra, and the vice head girl, Soumya Bansal, for their myriad performances in all the functions and activities of the school, presented with a certificate of appreciation and a memento of excellence. Indeed, praiseworthy. We would have loved to have their pictures online, but unfortunately, due to the indirect connect that happens with an online, we were not able to have all the pictures of the entire council. Hence, we have them live with us and they would like wave out and express their gratitude. We have certificates of excellence and mementos for the captain of Nehru House, Prachi Agarwal, and vice captain Gitansh Bansal. Congratulations, they kept the banner flying high. Tilak House, we have the Purple House, Pragya Jain and Vardhaini Agarwal, who strove to do their best and contributed in a very positive manner throughout the year. For Indira House, we had Kunjal Kullar and Vansh Jain working very hard and sincerely to carry their house forward. Certificates and mementos to all the children. For Dayanand House, we had Anshika Chawla and Vivan Kalra. They worked with great dedication and a sense of service to contribute towards all the activities of the school. Devyanshi and Manya Nigam for Hansraj House, captain and vice captain respectively, ever smiling. This young duo has gone on to give their best shot in making almost all the online events they participated in into a grand success. For Vivekanand House, we had Sanvi Mehrotra and Sudhanshu as vice captain. Their work was truly appreciable, and we are certain that all these children in the future too will continue to work hard with the same zeal and enthusiasm. We congratulate all the captains and vice captains of the 6 houses. Going on to the prefects. The prefects are the backbone of the council and they work to ensure a smooth process, making every day truly special with all their efforts. The prefects of the year 2020-2021 in no particular order: Shayan Kumar, Yash Chauhan, Manas Chawla, Arnav Kashyap, Adit Jain. I hope you can imagine the resounding claps that we are giving you in our hearts and souls, because we cannot have them loud and clear over here. Adit Jain, Utkarsh Kumar, Arav Sharma, Aradhya Bharadwaj, Shubh Bansal, Dhriti Taluja, Maitli Gupta, Anand Bhatia, Ananya Mittal, Anusha Sirohi, Shivika Jain, Palak, Aditi Jain, Drishti Garg, Kunjal, and Amishi Barija. Please hear our resounding applause for all your hard work and the great efforts that you have been put in You are truly a wonderful council and you have given your best. Being the first online council of the school, you will go down into history. And now, on behalf of the outgoing council, the Junior Prefectural Council of the previous session 2020-21, we have Shaurya Sharawat, the head boy of the school, expressing his sentiments. Shaurya, the head boy, was a familiar face in all the online classes with his participation, his hard work in the activities, and his dedication in making sure that whatever task and responsibility was assigned to him, he fulfilled it to the best of his ability. He has now moved to another school, but we shall always remember Shaurya as a gem that Kolachi nurtured, and we were blessed to have him. So it was a mutual feeling having Shaurya over with us. And now to present Shaurya's expression of gratitude.
Shaurya, you're muted, बच्चे.
Principal ma'am, headmistress ma'am, teachers, and my dear co-learners. It is with a deep sense of nostalgia and pride that I present this headboy speech on behalf of the outgoing classes. On this momentous day, the last journey passes by, and I can vividly recall all the moments with me from entering into Alka ma'am's chambers and to this day. So many moments of fun, laughter, learning, and achievements are etched in our memories. Kolachi has indeed been a big banyan tree which has sheltered, cared for, and nurtured us all. During this pandemic, we have missed the school like never before. However, credit goes to each and every teacher that despite all odds, our curriculum, learning, celebration, and festivities went about in the regular mode with trademark Kolachi enthusiasm, zeal, and vigor. It made this academic session all the more eventful and fulfilling. I wish all the very best to the upcoming head boy, head girl, and the new council members. You will reap rewards of all the hard work that you have put in. Last but not least, a big thank you to respected principal ma'am and headmistress ma'am for being the leading lights in our lives, and all the teachers for your guidance, hard work, and cooperation, nurturing, caring, and for everything that can't be summed up. You made us Kolachis for life, and we are mighty proud. Thank you.
I would like to add here that it was unfortunate that both our head boy and head girl, because of this pandemic, had to move their residence places. Both had gone, Shaurya had moved to NCR Delhi and Amrit to Chandigarh. That is the reason they had to change their schools, because the parents got transferred. It's quite unfortunate for us.
Thank you, ma'am. And now the head girl, Amrit Sakuja, to present her gratitude and appreciation. Ever smiling, Amrit has gone on to become a confident young girl who holds the promise of the future.
Greetings to all. I am Amrit Sakuja, head girl of a
Amrit has always presented her tasks with excellence, diligence, and sincerity. Her work has been truly appreciable, and she became a role model for the other students to follow.
I am Amrit Sakuja, head girl of academic session 2020-21, primary wing. My regards to respected principal ma'am, headmistress ma'am, and teachers on the occasion of this investor ceremony for the academic session 2021-22. where we welcome our new council members and bid farewell to the previous ones. It is an occasion where I feel glad to share my experience being part of the CareGenus family. All these years were full of enriching endeavors which lead to a confident journey ahead. It has been the biggest and best experience of my life so far, which I'll cherish forever. Although due to the pandemic, we were not physically present in the school, but thanks to technology, we were meeting online. I want to convey my best wishes to the upcoming council members, and I expect that they will work optimum to their capacity to fulfill their assigned duties. Designation comes with responsibilities. Respect your profile. Rise and shine always. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. That was indeed touching to see the children speak so beautifully well. And we wish the entire council happiness, success, and many more milestones and many more achievements. All the very best, our dear children. And as one chapter moves on to the next chapter, the old order yielded place to the new. The new council for the year 2021-22, which is being inducted today, is a group of very promising young men and women who will keep the banner of the school flying high. After due process of interaction and selection, this wonderful group has been chosen to work to ensure discipline, hard work, goodwill, and team spirit as the backbone of the primary wing. And now we give to you the Junior Prefectoral Council 2021-2022. The new council will be led by Yuvraj Singhal as the head boy, with Dronika Avasti as the head girl. The vice head girl is Bhumi Sharma and the vice head boy Vidit Bansal. We are certain that they will devote themselves to working for the school to carry forward for the progress of the school. Their team of the council members will comprise Jayesh Makkar as Cultural Secretary with Shinjini Agarwal also as Cultural Secretary. I am now reminiscing our assembly ground where the ground would have been resounding with applause right now for these children, and I'm sure all of you are getting goosebumps. The house captains and the vice captains, we have for Nehru House, Abhay Raj Singh and Vice Captain Aditi Gupta. Tilak House, we have Captain Sanidhya Verma and Vice Captain Bhavik Gupta. For Indira House, we have Vinayak Arora and Dhriti Goyal. Dayanand House will be led by Shrishti as captain and Razel Taneja as vice captain. Hansraj House will lead ahead with Arush Jain as the captain and Vanya Satija as the vice captain. And Vivekanand House will be led by Nipun Tuteja as captain and Naitik Patwa as the vice captain of the house. Congratulations, and we look forward to an excellent performance by the captains and the vice captains as they take up their responsibilities. Change, they say, is the only constant in life. And why not, if such a constant should be added to our prefectorial council? So I think as far as I remember, in the last 20 years, we followed certain different posts, as ma'am had already mentioned. And for the first time, with our second online Junior Prefectoral Council, we come up with a change initiated by our mentors. And as they say, this change is only for the better. So for the first time, we have joint secretaries in the Junior Prefectoral Council, and we welcome all the joint secretaries. Calling upon them in no particular order, Nivit Rushil and Vilisha Agi. We have Narun Singh and Nitya Parthi. We have Anand Malhotra and Vedant Gupta. We have Risit Asija and Lavanya Sharma, and Kavya Goyal and Adriti Singh all will be functioning as joint secretaries of the Junior Prefectoral Council. Congratulations to each and every member, all holding the promise and hope of a brighter days ahead. Full of devotion and duty, we get ready with a new and smarter change. Like I said, we have added student representatives to the Junior Prefectoral Council, and calling out the student representatives: Rayansh Gupta. We have Naman Verma, Arav Negi, Harshal Rohtagi, Ansh Bansal, Rishit Garg, Aryaveer, Maulik Sharma, Navya Sharma. All these students will be the student representatives of the Junior Prefectoral Council for this session. And we put our hands out together to applaud the entire cabinet, and we look forward that they will put in due diligence, sincerity and dedication and set new and higher benchmarks. I will now request all the council members to raise their right hands as our Honorable Principal Ma'am will administer the oath of office to the newly inducted council and have them as a part of the Prefectoral Council. Yuvraj Singhal to unmute and follow ma'am after ma'am administers the oath. Yuvraj, you will follow ma'am. Sorry, there seems to be a small, yes. May we request Principal Ma'am to please administer the oath.
Ma'am, please unmute. Ma'am, may I request you to unmute, please?
Sorry. Yuvraj, as a student representing Kulachi Hansraj Model School, I pledge to maintain a high level of respect and integrity. Will reach out to others with kindness and respect. I will reach out to others with kindness and respect. I will value what I have and what others have. I will choose to do my best in thoughts, words, and actions. I will be a peacemaker and work towards universal peace. I will always uphold the honor of my school. Thank you and congratulations to each and everyone.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And with this administration of the oath of the office by our principal, the newly inducted cabinet is now ready and on the run to function to its best of ability. To accept this responsibility, I now invite Dronika Avasthi, the head girl of the school, to accept the posts on behalf of the council. We have Dronika Avasthi with her promise of the future.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Principal Ma'am, Headmistress Ma'am, teachers, and my fellow friends. I, Dronika Vasti, as head girl of the school, would like to thank Principal Ma'am, Headmistress Ma'am for giving me this opportunity to serve the school. I will work with honesty and dedication for the betterment of the school. Will also shoulder all the responsibility given to me. I will lead the school with pride and humility, but most importantly, I will be there to serve all my brothers and sisters. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dronika. We look forward to your work and efforts with great hope. And now, Yuvraj Singhal, the head boy, to extend his gratitude and his thoughts on how they will carry forward the good work.
Good morning,
Good morning,
Principal Ma'am,
Principal Ma'am,
Headmistress Ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. I, Yuvraj Singhal, head boy of the school, would like to thank Principal Ma'am and Headmistress Ma'am for giving me this opportunity. I will extend my duties for the school sincerely and honestly. I also promise to make school a better place for everyone. Once again, thank you very much, ma'am. Have a nice day ahead.
Thank you, Yuvraj. I think that was excellent. And now, may I request Principal Ma'am to please convey her best wishes for the council members. I'm sorry, may I request our headmistress, ma'am? I'm really sorry. There's some connectivity issue and I got confused. Please forgive me. That is a faux pas on my part. I apologize for the same. Principal ma'am has already inspired us with her wonderful address. And now I think we need some more inspiration from our honorable headmistress, ma'am. Ma'am, best wishes and your inspiration and blessings.
No,
And once
actually-
again, forgive me for the faux pas.
No, I think that is the prerogative of our principal, ma'am, and she has done it today, and as she always does it. So first of all, thank you very much, ma'am, for the inspiring platform you have set up for the children to lead the way by example. So thank you very much. And I give myself 1 minute to speak, and I would like Dronika to be my timekeeper. The moment 1 minute is over, please let me know that it is over. Okay. So first of all, congratulations on your achievement. But children, when you get anything in life, it is a time to celebrate, of course. It is a moment to rejoice, but it comes with a lot of baggage. It comes with a lot of baggage. You have responsibilities to undertake. You have to show to the world your best. And let me tell you that your actions become news now. What is the news? News is anything related to people, places, or things. So anything which the people do, people means what? The people with responsibilities, the people with positions. Just an example, as I always give lively examples to all the students every time. If I go to the road and eat golgappas, will I make the headline? No. If the Prime Minister of India goes to the road and eat golgappas, that will be flashed as the headline on the screen. So if anybody else, any other student commits a mistake, that would not be a head turner. If you commit a mistake, that would become a head turner. You will become news. Okay, because is it over? Give me 10,
Yes,
15 seconds more, just 15 seconds more.
Okay.
Okay. So, okay, Dronika is very right. Okay, so let me not waste time. So, as I was saying, when you were performing your duties actually in the school, if anybody will commit any mistake, no student will come to me. But if the student with a badge does anything wrong, 3 or 4 students will come to me. Ma'am, look at that badge wala bhaiya. He's troubling me. So you are now known as badge wala bhaiya or badge wali didi. So you have to be extra cautious of your duties. So I would now, all right, my 1 minute 15 seconds are over. Congratulations and do your best. And one request from Principal Ma'am, and she always listens to our requests, although it was not planned. I really don't know how many parents are here, but if in case the parents are here, and in case we have fastest fingers first, whosoever writes his name first can address and really motivate the students for 1 minute, like I did it. In case you're around, write your name on the chat box, please. I really do not know whether the parents are around or not. Riansh, father, thank you. Fastest finger first, please. Riansh, father or mother, whosoever is here. You have 1 minute, please.
Yeah. Good morning, ma'am. Thank you so much for giving him the opportunity for this preceptively council, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Oh, you took just 10 seconds. We can give chance to some other. It was Mr. Rushil, who typed the name after you. Mr. Rushil, please.
We and Nimit Rushil, yeah.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, we were sitting little outside in order to actually keep me a little bit social distancing, nothing else. So, thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much for the all the supports to all the students and all the actually like encouraging words. And like you said, actually, this is more of a responsibility and to upkeep the standard of the schools. And I'm very much sure all the students who are here will keep the flags of the school very high. And I'm extremely confident of that. And not only the school, in the future, actually, they will bring laurel to the entire, actually, the community and the society. And they'll bring the nation to the top level. Definitely, I'm sure of it. And all the kids who are here and who are not here also, they'll be inspiring this whole society in the future. I'm sure of it. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for giving them a wonderful opportunity, actually. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Over to Malini Bindra, please. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you to Principal Ma'am and Headmistress Ma'am for making this occasion such a memorable one. And thank you, children, our parents who've been with us. Thank you for your support, like ma'am has said. The meeting will now be dispersed and we will all join back to our classes in the regular mode. Thank you so much once again.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Have a nice day.
And once again, ma'am, I extend apologies for the mistakes I have made. My apologies.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice
Thank you, ma'am.
Have a nice day. Switch off the recording.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice
Switch off the
day.
recording.